I hope your day was doing great. Now, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Quinelle Marielka Wijaya. I am 6th grade. I'm from Bhaktyarsama Elementary School, Maumere. Now, I would like to share my story about holiday in China. Let's begin to my story. One day, when I was 3 years old, I've been to China. I've been to the zoo, to the Great Wall, and meet my extended family from my mother. I'm so excited to go to the zoo. Maybe I can meet some cute animals or maybe interesting animals. So, when I was in the zoo, I met really cute pandas until I want to go into the panda's cage. After meeting the pandas, we met lions. The lions were so scary. I used to thought that the lions will jump at me and tear me down. But luckily, my mom calmed me down like this. Don't worry, honey. The lions will not jump at you and tear you. Here, grab a hug. She even calmed me down with a hug. After the lions, I met parrots. I said to the parrots like this, "Hello, parrots." And the parrots repeat me, "Hello, parrots." I was surprised because I didn't thought that the parrots will repeat what I said. And then the bird keeper came up to me and explains about parrots. It was so interesting, but unfortunately I cannot stay at the parrot's cage for that long. But my mom said that we will go to bear cubs. I'm happy because I can see my favorite animal. I really want to hug them, but unfortunately I can't. After that, we went to the Great Wall. Whoa! The Great Wall was so big and it's so amazing. And then we took photos with each other. After meeting at the Great Wall, I am hungry, so we go to a restaurant. I thought that the food will be delicious and the drink will be fresh. And yes, what as I thought, it's so delicious and so fresh. Until it was my favorite food. After eating, we go to my mother extended family house. I was so happy because I can play with my cousin. And then, I play with my cousin while my family sat on the chair and communicate with each other. After that, came at night. We ate dinner with each other. We ate dinner together. After eating dinner, we communicate a little bit and go back to the hotel. I am so exhausted because of the day that I traveled to the zoo and meet my extended family and go to the Great Wall. I really want to go to bed, but I can't because following days we will have to go to Indonesia. So I put my bag and pack my stuffs. What should I pack first? Oh yeah, my clothes. After packing, I went straight to bed and sleep. Following days, we went back to Indonesia. But my mom said that we will go to the playground first with my family. I was happy. So I grabbed my stuffs and then went straight to the playground. I am really happy because I can play with my cousin. Let's see the playground. Whoa! The playground was so amazing. I was so happy because I can play at the playground. After playing at the playground, we go straight to the airport. La 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 la. At the airport, we said goodbye to our family. Goodbye, Grandma. Goodbye, Grandpa. Goodbye, cousin. And then our plane landed. So we go straight up to our plane and we went back to Indonesia. I was so exhausted. So I put my things first and then went to my bed and sleep. So that was my story, guys. Thank you for hearing my story. Goodbye.